Hello children, welcome to Maths with Madhavi. Today we are going to learn addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Regroup ones, tens and hundreds correctly. Solve simple story sums by adding 3-digit numbers. Before we start adding, let's understand what is regrouping. Regrouping happens when the sum in a place value is 10 or more. When the sum is 10 or more, we write the ones digit and carry the tens to the next place value. Let's understand this with a simple example. Let's add 48 and 35. First add the ones. In the ones place we have 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Write 3 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add the tens. 1 carried over plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. Write 8 in the tens place. So our answer is 83. Very good children. Now let's add 3-digit numbers. Add 638 and 147. First write one number below the other. Make sure the hundreds, tens and ones are in the same columns. Now first add the ones. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Write 5 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add the tens. 1 carried over plus 3 plus 4 equals 8. Write 8 in the tens place. Finally, add the hundreds. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Write 7 in the hundreds place. So our answer is 785. Very good children. Now, let's solve a story sum. A farmer picked 268 apples in the morning. He picked 356 apples in the afternoon. How many apples did he pick altogether? First write the given information. So our first statement is number of apples picked in the morning is equal to 268. Our second statement is number of apples picked in the afternoon is equal to 356. Now we need to find out the total number of apples the farmer picked altogether. So our third statement is total number of apples picked is equal to. Now let's add the two numbers. First add the ones. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Write 4 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add the tens. 1 carried over plus 6 plus 5 equals 12. Write 2 in the tens place and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Now add the hundreds. 1 carried over plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Write 6 in the hundreds place. So our answer is 624. Very good children. The farmer picked 624 apples altogether. Now it's your turn. Solve these sums and story sums on your own. Now let's see what we learned today. Today we learned to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Solve story sums using addition with regrouping. Remember, start adding from the ones place. Regroup whenever the sum is 10 or more. Don't forget to add the carryover number. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye children.